C5 Corvette Halo LEDs, radio flyers. This is in direct sunlight. I got sequencing on them, so that's what the flasher's on. They're lightly tinted, not real dark. This is with the sun shining on them. Pretty direct, straight down. I got these back from Radio Flyer, and this is the right side, the sequencing part of it, and something's rattling inside of it. None of the other ones do that. So I'll take it apart, I guess, or give him a call and see what to do. Hopefully it's nothing too bad or serious. Alright, so I took the lens off. Found this halo ring is loose. So I gotta re-glue it. That's the rattling. Alright, got them glued and clamped. So I let it sit all day and probably overnight, just to be safe. So hopefully it'll stay together and it'll work. I got my old lights out, my spares. I'm gonna put their original ones back in there that I like better. See if they work. I'm not sure you can see it, but they're working. At least the halos are. I haven't checked the other part out yet, but I'll do that when it gets dark. I'm going to repaint my screws black so they look better. They need it, so I'll check back tonight when it's dark to see if the rest of it works. Well, it's the next day. I got them all mounted. Sorry it took me so long to get back with you, but I had a little issue yesterday. My water heater started leaking, so I had to replace that. But that's done, so now I can concentrate on other things. You can see I got a spot here on this light I gotta get yet. So check them out tonight when it gets dark and see if they work. The tail lights in, so let's see what they look like. Alright, halos work. Nice and bright. Here with the blinkers. Alright, sequencing looks good. I like that. So far, so good. And sequencing is good, but the light that had 4 bulbs burned out are still burned out. So I'll need to address that, looks like. I thought they were already fixed, but obviously not. Well, I got my light back. Only been a week and a half. Halos seem to work. Got it installed, so let's see if the rest of it works. And we still got some bulbs burned out. God dang it. I got my light back today from Radio Flyer. Looks like he repaired the connector. changed it out for me, so that's good. I'm just gonna check it now, see if everything works. I got a negative to the one side, and this will be for the halo, and that works. That's a 9-volt battery hooked to the ground. This connector is for the LEDs for the brake and turn signals. So all those are working. Looks like all those are working. Looks like all those are working. That's good. I think I got a good light now. Later. Alright, we're going to trade these depot tail lights out for the halo ones that I just got fixed again. Hopefully they'll work this time. Although I'm kind of liking these depot lights now. Alright, I got them installed. So I guess now we'll see if they work. Okay, the halos are working on the left side. The halos are working on the right side. Well, let's try the blinkers. Alright, looks like they're working on the left side. All the bulbs are lit. Right side looks good too. I think we're golden for a while now again. Finally. Now that these are all working, I'm going to go put these in storage until I need them again. Alright, we're going to do this at night so you can see what they look like. Halos are good. Blinker's working. That's the right side. Alright, there's the left side. I think they look really good. There's the brake lights. That's what the halo's on.